How to fix Hey Siri not working on iPhone. The first step is by opening your settings and then scroll down until you can see Siri and search. Make sure to click on that one and make sure to turn on the very first option, which is listen for Hey Siri. Click on the toggle button and make sure that the toggle button is turned into green and not gray. And then you have to set up the Hey Siri option. So click on continue and then it will ask you to say Hey Siri again and again so that your iPhone may recognize your voice. And then let's say for example that you have done that and it still doesn't work, then what I would suggest is to update the iOS of your iPhone. So again, go back to settings, go to general, and then go to software update and wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, you need to download the latest version of the iOS on your phone and then wait for it to download, install it, and then that should work. Again, if it still doesn't work, then you should go to the nearest Apple or Mac center near your location. So that's it. That's how you can fix Hey Siri not working on any iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.